Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. For example, this is our GTA San Andreas exe file. So simply right click on it, select properties. So on this window, just go to compatibility and then check this option, run this program in compatibility mode for, and select the highest operating system. Once done, simply apply the changes and close this window, and then right click here, select task manager. Now click on this icon. Now search for your San Andreas exe file. Simply, for example, this is San Andreas exe file. I will right click on it and select set FNT. Then we need to uncheck this option and select only one CPU. Then click on apply and then changes. After that, we need to restart your system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys, you are good to go.